In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Exif Injector Bulk Image Renamer to rename multiple images using Exif data. When you work with many images, file names like 1.webp, img_1234.jpg, or photo.png are not useful for SEO, organization, or client delivery. With this tool, you can rename hundreds of images using smart patterns like capture date, camera model, image dimensions, original name, or custom keywords. First, open the Bulk Image Renamer tool. Upload your images by clicking Browse or simply drag and drop them into the upload area. After upload, you can build your rename pattern. Choose a preset like Date plus Original Name, Camera plus Date, Brand plus Index, Width plus Height, or Sequence only. You can also customize the file name manually. In this example, we add the prefix backpack and use tokens like make and index to generate names such as backpack-sony-001.webp. The preview shows you the new file names before downloading, so you can check everything before applying the changes. Once the names look good, click Rename and Download. Exif Injector creates a zip file with the renamed images and a rename manifest. Try Exif Injector Bulk Image Renamer today and organize your image files faster with clean, SEO-friendly file names.